Let's dive into a dish that's as bright and flavorful as it is comforting. Chicken Francese. This Italian-American classic combines crispy golden chicken with a silky lemon butter sauce that's hard to resist. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need to bring it to life. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, pounded thin for even cooking. Flour for dredging the chicken. Eggs, beaten to create that signature egg-dipped crust. Olive oil and butter for frying and for the sauce. Fresh lemon juice, the heart of this dish. Chicken broth to give the sauce depth. White wine, optional, but it adds a lovely brightness. Fresh parsley, salt, and black pepper to finish it all off. Here's how it all comes together. Start by pounding the chicken breasts until they're about ½ an inch thick. Season them with salt and pepper. Next, dredge each piece in flour, shake off the excess, then dip it into the beaten eggs. This is what makes chicken Francese so unique. The chicken goes straight from the flour into the egg wash, which gives it that light golden coating when it fries. Heat olive oil and a bit of butter in a skillet. Fry the chicken until both sides are beautifully golden brown, then remove it from the pan. Now it's time for the sauce. In the same pan, melt some butter, add a splash of white wine if you're using it, and then pour in chicken broth and fresh lemon juice. Scrape up all those golden bits from the pan that's pure flavor. Let the sauce simmer until slightly thickened. Then return the chicken to the pan. Spoon the sauce over the chicken, sprinkle with parsley, and you've got a dish that's both elegant and comforting. Serve it with pasta, mashed potatoes, or even a simple salad, and you've got a restaurant-worthy meal. Now, let's talk about where chicken Francese comes from. Despite its name, it's not actually French, it's Italian-American. The story goes back to the Italian immigrants who settled in Rochester, New York. In the mid-20th century, veal dishes were very popular in Italian cuisine. But veal became expensive and harder to find, so creative cooks started using chicken instead. The Francese style, meaning French style, refers to the egg-dipped frying technique, which gives the chicken its delicate crust. This method may have been inspired by European cooking, but it found a true home in Italian-American kitchens. By the 1972nd, chicken Francese had become a beloved dish in New York and beyond, showing up on Italian restaurant menus everywhere. It was affordable, delicious, and approachable, perfect for families and dinner parties alike. What makes chicken Francese so special is its balance. You've got crispy chicken, tangy lemon, and a buttery sauce that ties it all together. It's simple enough for a weeknight dinner, but elegant enough to impress your guests. And like so many Italian-American classics, it tells a story of adaptation immigrants taking traditional techniques, adjusting to new ingredients, and creating something uniquely their own. So, the next time you're craving a dish that's both light and comforting, chicken Francese is ready to brighten your table with a little bit of lemony sunshine. And there you have it, chicken Francese. A dish that's golden, tender, and coated in that silky, tangy lemon butter sauce that just makes your taste buds happy. What's really amazing about this recipe is how it balances elegance with simplicity. The chicken is crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the lemon sauce adds brightness without being overpowering. It's the kind of dish that makes a simple dinner feel special. One of the best things about chicken Francese is how versatile it is. You can serve it over a bed of pasta alongside fluffy rice, or even with roasted vegetables for a lighter option. It works for a quick weeknight meal, but it also shines when you're entertaining your guests will be impressed, and the aroma alone is enough to make everyone's mouth water. And there's something nostalgic about it too. This dish has been a favorite in Italian-American homes for decades, passed down from generation to generation. It's a reminder of home-cooked meals, family gatherings, and the creativity of home cooks who adapted European techniques to local ingredients. So, whether you stick to the classic recipe or add your own personal twist, maybe a little fresh herb in the sauce or a splash of white wine, you're keeping a wonderful culinary tradition alive. Chicken Francese isn't just food on a plate. It's comfort, history, and a little bit of sunshine in every bite. Next time you're craving something that's both light and satisfying, remember Chicken Francese. It's simple, elegant, and utterly delicious, a true testament to how a few quality ingredients can create something unforgettable.